After thoroughly reviewing Tessos.shop, there are both positive and concerning aspects to consider before making a purchase. The website offers a variety of products at competitive prices, which may seem appealing to shoppers looking for good deals. However, there are some uncertainties regarding its legitimacy. The site lacks detailed company information, and the refund and return policies are not clearly outlined, which can make resolving issues difficult for customers. Some buyers have reported delays in shipping and challenges in getting responses from customer support, while others have received their orders without problems. Additionally, the website design and product listings bear similarities to other online stores, making it unclear whether it is an original platform or a dropshipping site. Payment security appears to be in place, but the absence of verified trust signals, such as strong customer reviews or active social media presence, raises some caution. Based on these findings, Tessos.shop does not immediately appear to be an outright scam, but it also lacks strong credibility. So potential buyers should proceed carefully, research further, and consider customer feedback before placing an order.